Another video. Today we have 2 free batteries with the qualified purchase of any tool. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, being able to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So yes guys, according to this, we got Ryobi week. Get 2 free batteries with qualified Ryobi 1 Plus purchase. It says valid through 4/8 to 4/18 at 11:59 p.m. Available in store and online. Online limit 2 free ZRP189 batteries per online purchase while supplies last. Exclusion supply. So these batteries are $19.99 each. I guess if you buy any of the tools at the, let's look at it. Alright, allow. Alright, so I guess any of these tools qualify for that. Well, that's a pretty good deal, especially with these impact wrenches. Even with these, look at them, 79 bucks just to get 2 batteries. It's not bad. You got the new tripod lights. Let's add the tripod light to the cart and see if we get the batteries here. Yep. You guys see, you got 2 batteries here. Oh yeah, they are factory reconditioned batteries. So just beware of that. I'm pretty sure they're pretty good batteries. So check out, so you can check out on that. And this one's factory blemished. So let's see here. Factory. It seems like all the tools here are factory blemished. New arrival. So they must be like some sort of like original, maybe like new, factory reconditioned, factory blemished. I know they had the fan here. See, factory blemished. $49.99 for the fan. $49.99 with the 2 batteries. I think it's a good deal. Being on factory blemished, according to what I was reading online, it means that they're not authorized to sell Ryobi. Only Home Depot's actually authorized to sell Ryobi tools. That's why they have to put factory blemished. It's not that this tool's used or this tool's like in crappy condition. It's actually in brand new condition, except that they have to put this because they're not authorized Ryobi dealer, and you can still get warranty on these. These are brand new tools. Just wanted to clarify that. Definitely check it out. Just want to let you guys know what's going on with Direct Tools Factory Outlet. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.